How to log in or sign in to CIBC Costco Mastercard. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation I'll show you how to log into your CIBC Costco Mastercard. So watch the video until the very end. Now let's get started. To log into your CIBC Costco Mastercard account, you have to first open a web browser and type in www.cibc.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard, which is just beside the bank account. And now click on the sign on button in the top right corner of the screen. If you haven't set up online banking access for your CIBC Costco Mastercard, click on the register link to sign up first. And once you're registered, sign in with your card number or the password. You have to enter your correct form with your card number in the first field, then followed by the correct form with your password in the second field. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your card for the future logins, you can simply check this box over here. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on the Reset My Password link to retry or reset your password successfully. Now, after entering the correct form of your credentials, simply go and click on the Sign On option highlighted in pink color in order to successfully log into your CIBC Costco Mastercard. So this was all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.